Hey there, and welcome to the Tilt Brush tutorial series. To kick things off, we'll be taking a look at the incredibly useful Environments tool, the foundation of any stunning tilt brush creation. This amazing feature will serve as the starting point for all of your future art, helping you set the initial tone for your piece before your paintbrush hits the virtual canvas. Joined by us today is George Peaslee, the insanely talented immersive artist responsible for countless tilt brush masterpieces. George will be stepping in as our VR guinea pig of sorts as he helps us set the stage for our eventual VR masterpiece. Now, Tilt Brush has a number of virtual environments to choose from, each one designed to help you set the mood, conditions, and surrounding elements of your future Mona Lisa. Where do you find this magic wand? The Environments tool can be found in the palette control board opposite of your painter's hand. We actually have a UI specifically for beginners that you may find helpful too. It's important to note, however, that not all of the tools that we'll be showing are available in beginner mode. Anywho, let's get this started. When you start Tilt Brush, the standard environment features a nighttime scene with mountains in the horizon. For a simpler, solid color option, you can try black, white, or perhaps blue environment. It's important to note that unless you're using the illustrative environment, all of the colors, tones, and lighting of the visuals you paint will be directly affected by the color and location of the default positional lights in the environment. So, if you'd like to change the gradient color of your environment or reposition the lights, check out the next episode where we'll dive into more advanced features. For instance, more colorful gradient environments such as bright pink and yellow surroundings of pink lemonade or the woodland browns and greens featured in pistachio will alter the visuals of your painted artwork in real time. Night sky is also an excellent choice for any piece in need of some midnight glow. So, if you're looking for an accurate depiction of your artwork, stick to simple spaces such as standard or illustrative. However, if you're cool with a little contribution from the environment itself, definitely give pink lemonade or pistachio or night sky a shot. Of course, this is just the tip of the metaphorical iceberg in terms of environmental possibilities. There are also several environments that feature objects in the scene. Space, for example, not only drops users directly in the center of our beautiful cosmos for a colorful backdrop of bright stars and tangled nebulas, but it also provides an existing moon model in which users can incorporate into their intergalactic piece. Dress form, on the other hand, plops designers into a blank room inhabited solely by a beheaded mannequin, making it the perfect starting point for any aspiring fashion designer. Of course, there's always the pedestal or the snowman environments, which are, well, fairly self-explanatory. So, if you happen to be working on an interplanetary space vessel, for instance, maybe think about using the space environment to add some realistic sun flares bouncing from your metal hull. However, as beautiful as these pre-existing scenes may be, sometimes you just have to roll your sleeves up and get the job done yourself. Luckily, Tilt Brush makes it easy to build your own environments from scratch for the ultimate piece of truly custom art. Standard, an excellent choice, but not as excellent as night sky, of course. And there you have it, a handful of dynamic and static environments for you to let your imagination go wild.